Welcome to Moona Glow TV.
Please, please, when I ask, I say please. Thank you, when I get, I say thank you. Sorry, when I make a mistake. 3 kind words are easy to say.
Please, can I have some juice?
Please, Mommy, can I have some juice? Please, can I have my teddy too? Please, can you help me with my shoe? Please, when I ask for something nice, I remember to say please. Please, when I ask, I say please. Thank you, when I get, I say thank you. Sorry, when I make a mistake. 3 kind words are easy to say. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. Mommy gives me my snack. Thank you. Daddy gives my toy right back. Thank you so much. Someone helps me when I fall. I look up and say it tall. Thank you. When someone is kind to me, I say thank you happily. Please, when I ask, I say please. Thank you, when I get, I say thank you. Sorry, when I make a mistake. 3 kind words are easy to say. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. Oops, I knocked your tower down. I'm sorry. Oops, I made you wear a frown. I'm sorry. If I make a little mistake, I can say sorry and help fix it. I can use my gentle voice and make a kinder choice. Can I have some milk? Here you go. Thank you. Oops, I made a mistake. Sorry. What 3 words do we know? Please, thank you, sorry. Please, when I add. Thank you when I get. You sorry when I make a mistake. Please, thank you, sorry. 2 kind words are easy for me and you. At home, at school, and when we play, we use our kind words every day. Please, thank you, sorry. 3 little words to remember. Please, thank you, sorry. Let's use them together. When I want something, please. When someone helps me, thank you. When I make a mistake, sorry. 3 little words, big kindness too. Please, thank you, sorry. I can say them too.
Learning every day. Share with your friends. Subscribe to Moona Glow TV.